chest and sink down towards your thigh. Scooping the arms and opening your chest. Breathe and lift. Let's try and go a little deeper towards the floor with your breath out. Inhale, glide up. Exhale, come down. Feel that flow. Breath and movement coming together. Last one. Pause, both knees bent. Lower. Climb up. Show me your hands. Open your chest with your breath in and drop to the floor with your breath out. Show me your hands. Line them up with your chest. Inhale, open, drop. Look up. Sink into your legs. Open your arms and lower. So all the way to the sky with your breath in. Down into your legs with your breath out. Inhale, pause here and shift. Right side and left. And each move has its own gentle breath out. Good, one more each side. Hold. Bring your feet in. Roll your shoulders down your back. Take your arms to the side and one leg. Hold for a few seconds with the shoulder blades connected. Now take the foot round and either leave the toe on the floor, try and wrap it round your calf. Yeah. Arm forward, other arm under. You know your levels, hand, forearm or palm. Long spine, elbows push forward and look up to challenge your balance. Hold here. And the next level is to hold your forearms and drop your ribs. Because it's easy in this stretch to push your chest forward, so try and drop your ribs. Extend the arms and extend the leg. Adjust the lower foot, lift the leg and tip. Good, hold for a few seconds. Squeeze your glutes so your hips face the front. And then do that on the other side. Inhale, lift, adjust, and exhale, drop. Lift the leg, squeeze the glutes, go a little bit deeper, and then climb up. Roll the shoulders, and do that on the other side. Other leg extends, shoulder blades back, chest open, leg comes round, hook it in, arm forward. Other arm underneath, level one elbow, forearm or even up to the palm, looking for a long spine. Look up and challenge and stretch your upper back. Advanced, find the elbows or the forearms and drop the rib cage. Perfect. Looking good, looking strong. Extend the leg, lift the arms and tip. Push your hips forward so you're in a straight line and then come down, breathe in and exhale, lift and go over. Good, just give me a few moments here. Oh, a bit longer in that stretch and then land. Quad stretch, right arm forward, hand to left foot. Take your time, get your balance and then start to feed the stretch. Take the foot back, hip down, knee towards the floor and climb up. Level 3, arm to the side, knee to the side. Again, take your time, use a chair or any equipment that's around you to support your balance and the stretch. And then land. Let's do that on the other side. Arm comes forward, knees together. When you're ready, when you feel comfortable, start to ease through the stretch. Pushing the foot away from your bum. And then Lifting your chest, adding in that next dimension. Open the arm, open the knee to the side, and pressing back. Good. Use support to hold your stretch. Land carefully. Feet hip distance. Roll your shoulders up, back and down. Check as you do this that your feet are parallel and your second and third toe line up with the middle of your knee. Roll your shoulders down your back, lift your chest and feel your shoulders drop down and your neck lengthen. Bring your hands to rest in front of your chest. I'm just going to use them as a guide. Bend the knees a bit more, circle above your head, inhale, pause, exhale. This is going to get a little more complex, but know that this is level 1. All I'm doing is a big circle above and rest, above and rest. Now if you can really lock your feet into the floor and bend the knees just a little and keep the pelvis still, then the work will be focused in your waist. Let your breath go. Good. One more, both sides. Level 1, it's all about making sure that we're comfortable with this move. Hands in front of your chest. Again, bend the knees. I'm going to turn 3 times. 1 to the right, other side, and then again to the right. So there's your 3. Now circle over to the left and go to the left. So you alternate. 1, other side 2, other side 3, circle to the right, forward, up, across your chest, 1, across your chest, 2, across your chest, 3, across your chest, circle, 4. Keep going, across your chest, 1. Good, so the idea once again, just to reiterate, your feet stay still, your knees are soft, they're bent, your pelvis is still, and you are allowing this just to sink into your body, into your muscles, so you don't have to think about it. It just happens naturally. 1, 2, 3, circle. 1, 2, 3, circle. One last one. 1, you feel the waist toning. 2, 3, circle. Keeping your hands in line with your chest. Take your legs wide. Sink down into your knees or your thighs and check your knees are over your toes. So we'll do that again. Turn one way. Oh, that's a bit tougher. Turn the other. Here's your third. And now circle. So other side. Turn 1. Breathe out. Turn 2. Breathe out. Turn 3. And gently circle. Good, so positioning your feet wide, keeping the tension in your legs will mean that you isolate the waist a bit more. Let's do a couple more of those. Turn 1, turn 2, turn 3, and circle. Last one on the other side. Turn 1, turn 2, so really get the most out of that rotation, and circle. This is how I'm going to change. I'm going to slide my knee in, turn 1, open, turn 2, lift the knee, turn 3, foot down, circle. Other side, knee lift 1, turn the other side, knee lift 2, circle above your head, turn knee, turn the other way, turn and lift the knee, and circle. Isn't that remarkable how that all beautifully comes together? And there's 2, and there's 3, and circle. Might have done that wrong because I spoke. 1. There's your 3rd. Now circle. Let's do 1 more on each side just so that I've got it imprinted. 1. Now circle. Try not to moan too loudly. 1. Foot lands. Good. And circle. So bring your feet in, paddle through your feet to release your foot, to stretch out your legs. Bring your hands to your waist. Pin your shoulders back. All that lovely postural awareness comes into the picture now. Hands on hips, you feel your hips as you paddle through your feet. Now bring one knee and slide that foot forward. Then take that same foot behind. And that's it, that's level 1. Foot forward, knee bent, foot behind, bum squeezes. And the purpose is to keep your core still. Shoulders in line with hips, and your eye gaze will help you to maintain that core stability. So we're going to lift the knee and slide the foot back so that your bum squeezes. Lift the knee, slide back. So no equipment today, just using your own body weight. Fix your eye gaze on your horizon and give me 5 more of those. Good. So this is using abdominal and back muscles. It's using stabilizers in the stabilizing foot. 2 more. This is how I'm going to challenge your balance and your core. Lift your knee, take the leg back, you can keep the knee bent, and let your arms glide forward to counterbalance your leg. Lift your chest, lift your knee, take the leg back, take the arms forward. So much going on here. Inhale, lift the knee. Exhale, sweep back. So stability and strength for the supporting leg. Using your tummy muscles, lift and press back. So you might be able to notice your foot, your stabilizing foot, making all these mini calculations and changes. Good. Just do 2 more for me. Push the arms forward as you bend and lift the back leg. And 1 last one. Good. Once again, feet on the floor, paddle through your feet. Maybe the underside of your foot feels a little bit tight, so make sure you release it. Good ankle stretch. Hands on waist, shoulder blades back, fix your eye gaze and lift the other knee, slide the foot behind. Forward and back. So minimal movement in your upper body. Use your muscles to hold your body still. Good, well done. It's subtle. Now start to lift the knee a little higher and squeeze the bum a little stronger. So it looks like this, side on. Squeeze your glutes, lift your knee, squeeze your bum behind. Good. Eye gaze fixed. Add in the tip. Tip forward and you decide how low you go. Inhale, lift the knee. Exhale, take the leg back. So it doesn't have to look that pretty. You can bend the back knee. You can straighten the back leg, whatever works for you. You can use your arms to counterbalance the weight of your leg. And breathe. Inhale, lengthen and stand upright. Exhale and press away. 3 more. Inhale, lift. Exhale, press away. One last one. Exhale, press away. Good. Paddle through your feet. Roll through your shoulders. Good. Make sure that you're comfortable. Make sure that your neck and shoulders are comfortable. And just finish this little section off with a little bit more waist work. As I say, the secret is keeping your feet on the floor so that the work is isolated in your waist. Good. Let the hand drop across the floor. Look at it as it goes. And the other hand climbs up underneath your armpit. Breathe into center. Breathe out to stretch and move away. When you're ready, add in the pulses. 3 to the right, or 5 I should say. 5, 4. And lift, breathe in. Other side. So just check your alignment is good. Rib to hip, pulse. Inhale, lift. Rib to hip, pulse. Inhale, lift. One last one. Oh, go deeper. Oh. And the other side. Perfect. Hands by your side, roll your shoulders, paddle through your feet to release your feet. Lift your arms and press, I always get this the wrong way around, press the heel down and the arm up. Heel down, arm up. Feel that stretch through your body. And if you can look up, you will enhance the stretch. Then bring your hands all the way down. Roll your shoulders back, little bend in the knee. Chin to chest and drop all the way down. Let your arms go both directions. And bend and straighten your legs. Bend and lengthen. So your hamstrings stretch. Good.